All right, we are going to restring this weed whacker here. I'm going to show you a really quick way to do it, so that you can get back to weed whacking with speed and intensity. So we're going to take these two clips here, bam, bam. We're going to pop those in. It's going to pop right out like that. We're going to keep this in the same direction that we take it out in. I'm not sure that it matters too much, but it just makes things really easy that way. Set it aside. After that, we're going to look for this hole here, or this hole here, okay? And we're going to take our wire, we're going to feed it right through. After we do that, we're going to take it through the same side. We're going to toss it right through the middle there, bam, until it pops out the other one. Okay, after that, we're going to throw it right back in the groove. Not quite yet. Okay, so we're all the way through the center. Right, now we're going to throw it through this other eyelet here. Bam, just like that. Okay, now we're going to throw the grooves in. Okay, pull it tight so that it's a straight line straight through. After that, we're going to get a good amount, probably about 5 feet on each side, maybe even longer. Okay, so about that long, but then I'm going to do the same thing on the reel side. Okay, there we go. Get out of here. Okay, that's about a good length. We're gonna take our two sides, then we're gonna clip them with, whatever we've got. Okay, after that, we're gonna match them up. Make sure they're equal length. Okay. Keep them a little bit taut, holding on to them. Okay, after that, we'll throw our cap back on. You're definitely going to want to make sure that your weed whacker is not on while you do this. I mean, really, it's up to you, but can't advise. Trying to add value, not take value here. All right, so after that, let's see if we can get this so that you can see what's going on. We're going to hold this bottom base part here. Okay. When we hold the bottom base, we're going to twist this, push it. We're going to turn it to the right. Okay. We're going to keep pushing in and turn it to the right. You're going to feel it click while you're holding the base in place. Okay. See that base in place? This part twists. Probably get a little tangled on you, but that's all right. Just keep going. Okay, after that, give her a little tug. You're good to go. Okay, after that, you just pull them taut. And that is how you wire a weed whacker with speed and intensity. Nothing special, no new tricks. Just makes it so you don't have to, do all the twisting and then try to feed it back on and all that headache. All right, so that's the easiest way that I've found to do it. I hope this added value to your life today. This is how to add value.